y'all, thank you so much for joining me for this video. So today we are going to be going over, oh my gosh, can't talk today. We are going to be going over another deck. This is the Queen of the Moon Oracle deck from Stacey Demarco. And I know this is a fairly new deck. I think it released this year. But the artwork just spoke to me so much. So I wanted to pick up a copy for myself and actually took advantage of Prime Day. So let's just break right into this. So this deck is from Rockwell Publishing. And this is not the first moon deck that I have. Actually, my very first Oracle deck was Moonology by Yasmin Bolin. Love that deck, and it will always have a very special place in my heart because it was my first Oracle deck. But I can say that all of my other decks as of right now have kind of fallen on the wayside and been put on the back burner because True Black Tarot is love. It is absolute love right now. But anyway, so let's go over the guidebook here. So you get a full nice guidebook that actually has some color illustrations in it, which is really nice. So this is guidance through lunar and seasonal energies. So here you've got your table of contents, how to use the cards, all that good stuff. An introduction, talks about the different moons, how to use the cards, gives you some sample card layouts with different questions, all that good stuff. And then you get into your cards themselves. So I have actually shuffled these. They are not in order. Should have thought about that, but it's okay. So you've got all of those there. It gives the guidebook. Typically you have about 2 to 3 pages per card. I really haven't broken this deck open much. I want to read over it first, but I just kind of wanted to show y'all the artwork, see if it speaks to you, all that good stuff. So there are 44 cards in this deck. The end of the guidebook is about the author and about the illustrator. So the artwork, I can tell you for sure, is absolutely gorgeous. Every card is numbered at the top, and it will give you what particular moon phase it is in and the description of the card. And as you can tell, these are very glossy cards. Cardstock is pretty flimsy, but about typical for Oracle cards or playing cards, everything like that. The backs are gorgeous. I love the backs of these cards. I also love that they're borderless. I really like borderless cards. So just for a comparison on size, to me these are kind of on par with most of the Oracle decks that I have. And this is compared to a tarot card size. So this is one from the True Black Tarot. So you can see that these cards are quite a bit bigger, taller, and wider. Well, actually they're about the same height, but they are quite a bit wider. So anyway, so this card is Beauty, Resilience, the Void, Beginnings, Realization, Wisdom, Gratitude. How beautiful is that? Acceptance, Growth, Protection, Self-love, Resistance, Surrender, Nourishment, The Path, Assessing, Release, Peace, Discernment, Hunger, Fear. This is probably the card that really drew me in because I love crows, and I love the artwork on this card. Boundaries, purity, faith. How beautiful is that? Mother Earth, trust, blossoming, will, focus, extremes, action, change. Love that card too. I think that's absolutely beautiful. Patience, fruition, abundance, power, self-reflection, creation, darkness, pleasure, sovereignty, the masculine, the unexpected, attraction, and balance. And as you can tell with each card above the description of it, like I said, you get the different moon phase that it associates with. So this would be an excellent companion for any of you who really like to work with the moon, anything like that. Even if you don't and the artwork just really speaks to you, I think it'd be a great deck to start with. When I first started doing cards and everything like that, I started with oracle decks before I went to tarot decks, so I definitely have more oracle decks than anything else. But I really do love tarot decks as well. So I can't really say if I like one over the other more, but I think that oracle decks are a lot more open-ended, and you know, you can really how do I word that? I'm not sure. All I know is that they're a little bit more open-ended, but I do feel like tarot cards, they're a little bit more structured, I guess, and I like them either way. You can use oracles with tarot and vice versa, anything like that. So let me know down in the description box, or oh my gosh, in the comment section, what you think about this deck. Do you have it? Do you use it? What do you think about this deck? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's one of the prettier oracle decks that I've seen. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you over here. And other than that, I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, everybody.